Hi, I'm going to talk about the Tritech P-1000 needle puller. It's a very basic, simple system that's very robust and user-friendly. The pulling force is provided by these weights right here, and you can have many increments of the weights that you can put on and off of here, depending on how much pulling force you want for this platform. And then there's a precisely controlled heating element. And the combination of the heating temperature and profile, along with the pulling force, allows you to select all different types of shapes for your needle tips, whether it's for microinjection or electrophysiology. The menus are super user-friendly and easy to use. You hit the menu button, and now it's the heat percentage, the force of the amount of heat that it's going to put to the thing, and you can use the plus and minus buttons to control it. So this is this level of heat, and then we can save it. The second menu, off heat, is you can have a amount of heat when the thing is not doing anything, sort of a standby heat if you want to have the element preheated at all times. The next one is called preheat. You'll see this is getting hot very fast, and so I'll stop it. You can use that to accelerate the heating for a certain amount of time, or do any kind of profile that you want to, so that it speeds up the pulling process. So in this case, we're going to, for 2 seconds, we're going to heat the heater at a high level so that it gets close to its 50% or whatever level we set it at for the pull. Okay, so now I'll show you how easy it is to use. So you just take the pipette, you load it into here through the heating element, tighten the set screw, and bring up the bottom platform. And you'll notice this changed from load to ready when this got up into the position where it should be. Now it's all set, and this bottom platform is actually hanging on the glass, so it's going to be pulling on the glass. And then I hit the plus button to go, and it preheats for the 2 seconds. Now the heater is on, and as soon as the glass gets soft enough for this amount of weight, it'll pull. As sort of a diagnostic message, it keeps track of the time. So you can see it took 17.2 seconds in this case. And then if it took longer or shorter, that might mean something in terms of the shape of the needle. What's cool is that you get 2 needles that are virtually identical with beautiful tips on them. There's one and there's the other. So as long as you get them centered top to bottom, they'll even both be the same length as each other, and the tips will be almost identical. That's really about all there is to using it. It's very simple. A cool feature, this holder that is on here right now, this is set so that it uses 1mm glass to 1.5 millimeter, which is what we just used. But we have other holders available for 2mm, 3mm, and 4mm glass. It works fine with borosilicate, aluminosilicate, and I think we're coming out with a line of special heaters that can even melt fused silica. So you can ask us about that. Thanks a lot for watching the video, and if you have any questions, contact us.